Hello chamberries, welcome to another Born Pretty gel unboxing. Please bear with me as this video contains a bit of a strong background noise. Before we get into the unboxing swatching, I just want to show off my gel nails for a sec. They may not be perfect yet, but I'm still learning and improving along the way. Now let's open everything up. I believe I received 6 gels today and I'm super excited because Born Pretty Curated is set for me. That always makes me thrilled because their gels never disappoint. First up is this 𝑭𝒑𝒂𝒂 Sculpting Gel. It honestly looks like a lip gloss, but trust me, it's not. The packaging is really nice and comes with the Born Pretty logo and branding. This contains 8 ml of product and it's a clear gel. Let's test it out on a nail tip so we can see the consistency and thickness. I actually really like it. It's super easy to work with and the thickness is just right. Not too bulky at all. This is such a cool product and I hope I can do justice to the beautiful 5D nail effects you can create with it. Chamberries, all the products featured in this video are linked in my description box below. Feel free to visit their official website and use my exclusive code if you haven't used it yet. Next is the Flash Spider Gel in silver, 5 grams. The packaging is just as cute. This gel doesn't come with a brush, so make sure to prepare one. Or you can also use a wooden nail stick to apply it. It's super sticky and almost rubbery. Honestly, it reminds me of parmesan cheese. Let's try it on a nail tip. I'm using a nail liner brush for an easier and cleaner spider gel effect. It looks so good and satisfying to apply. The amount of gel transferred is perfect. Not too thick and not too thin. Definitely a great gel for nail art designs. The third gel is a jelly gel called Dancing Flake in shade TS43 10ml. You guys already know I'm biased toward pink, so of course this one instantly caught my attention. The glitter effect is gorgeous, and I think it would look even prettier over a soft pink or jelly pink base. Let's apply a second coat to see the difference. The difference isn't too dramatic, but both the first and second coats look absolutely stunning. The glitters are so fine and pretty. Fourth is the Fuzz Gel 10ml. I've never tried this type of gel before, so this is my first time using one. This shade is Snug Fuzz RO2, and it's honestly such a cutie. It has these tiny fuzzy particles that give it a unique texture. Even with just one coat, the color payoff already looks really good. The second coat makes the pink more vibrant and it looks super cute. I think this would look amazing with a matte top coat finish. Fifth is the Crystal Cut Magnetic Gel in shade MY520 Bubbly 10ml. It's a gorgeous silvery cat eye gel with tiny flaky silver glitters. Such a beautiful magnetic gel, even with just one coat, the cat eye effect already shows up so nicely. Last but not least is another cat magnetic gel, MY52 Freedom Land Denim Milk. This one is another pink cat eye gel, and the magnetic effect is so fine and easy to work with for different nail designs. Look at that one coat, super satisfying even without a base color. So pretty. And that wraps up today's unboxing and swatching vlog. I hope the background noise didn't distract you too much while watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It really motivates me to create more content for you, chamberries. I'll see you all in my next vlog. Have a beautiful day, chammies. Stay pretty, keep your nails healthy, take care, and God